Hello, in today's Skypress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a basic delivery service. Delivery service allows visitors to buy items from your site. Then you can ship or deliver the items to your customers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Log into your Skypress account. Under Template, select Delivery Template. You may also upload a photo for your template. Now it's time to publish your template. Under Application Settings, across from Delivery, change Hide to show if you wish to add this template to your site's menu. To publish your delivery template, click Settings across from Delivery. Now click the menu on the left and select the business link. Add your delivery price. If you wish to receive text alerts when you receive an order, select your phone service here. You can also add announcements for your clients. Then click Save and Publish to publish your template. Now close the following box. Click on Dashboard to return to your dashboard. Note, if you wish to receive text alerts, click on Info and enter your phone number. Now click on My Site. Your template should appear. Message allows visitors to send you a message. Phone number allows visitors to call you using their mobile devices. Shop allows visitors to order items from your site. Let's create a client account to see how it works. Check I'm not a robot and fill out the form below. Make sure your password is 8 characters or more. Click Sign Me Up when you're done. Now let's log in with a new account we're created. Once log in as a client, click on Profile. Here the client can edit their profile and upload a photo. Let's make an order. Click on Shop and select a few items for purchase. When done, click My Cart. You can see your items including your delivery fee. Click Checkout to purchase. You will be taken to the orders screen. Here the client will be able to see opened, completed and cancelled orders. New orders will be pending until approved by you, the admin. Do not approve an order until your client has paid you. Once your client has paid you, log in as admin to approve the order. Let's approve this order. Go back to Dashboard. Under Application Settings across from Delivery, click Settings. You can see your client's order. Click Approve to approve their order. Once you have delivery or ship their order, you can then complete their order. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut to get to your admin panel faster. Log out, then visitor your homepage template. Select Login and enter your Skypress login details. Once you click Login, you will be taken directly to your delivery admin panel. Now version 3.5 templates come with a few more features. Log in as admin to see these new options. Click on Clients, this will display all of your clients. Click View Photo to view your client's photo. If they have not uploaded a photo yet, nothing will show. Click Send Note. This option allows you to send a message to your client's email. Click on the telephone number to call a client from your mobile device, or click on the text icon to text your client using your mobile device. You can also log into your client's account by click on their name. If you wish to delete a client account, click Delete Account. The Delete Account form fields will already be completed because you are logged in as admin. Now let's learn how to add your own products to the delivery template. Log in your FTP account and look for skydelivery.csv. Download this file to your local computer to add it. Now open the file and edit the following. You can have up to 2 categories. Category 1 uses cells A through Z. And Category 2 uses cells AA through AZ. Let's start with Category 1. Use cells A through Y to add your products and prices that you wish to sell or deliver. Cell Z contains your business address. Next, Category 2. Use cells AA through AY to add your products and prices that you wish to sell or deliver. Cell AZ contains your business address. Here are some spreadsheet rules you must use in order to have the correct spreadsheet format. Format must be CSV format. Comma delimited. Add 1 item per line and price must be beside each item. Your item's price must be last in cell with a $sign in front of the price. Do not skip lines or have blank lines in the middle of your spreadsheet. If an item is free, it must still have a price, so set the price to 0. Replace the words description for your customers with a product description. Do not use commas in the spreadsheet, instead use semicolons. Add your company name, address, phone number, and category name in column Z and AZ. Note, it's important to use the correct format so Skypress can integrate the spreadsheet into your template correctly. Follow the current spreadsheet format to ensure the right format is used. You can also edit the subcategories at the top to match the items that you are selling below. Now I'm going to show you how to delete canceled and completed orders. In Admin panel, go to the Business panel, click Completed and Cancel Orders. This will delete all canceled and completed orders. Do this to keep your server clean. That's all for this tutorial on Skypress. Thanks for watching.